Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to all watching my video. So today I am back with a very interesting content. I hope you all will also like it because that content is very knowledgeable and very interesting for you. I wish you all should implement that in your life as well. So without wasting time, let's get started with today's topic. So my today's content is based upon the poor farmer. There was a poor farmer. He used to live with his family in a small village with his son, daughter and wife. So he was a very hard-working person and used to work hard for his family and he used to earn for his livelihood. So one day that farmer was working on the roof and he was unconscious. वो उस टाइम पे अनकॉन्शियस हो जाता है और रूफ से गिर जाता है जिसकी वजह से उसको काफी ज्यादा चोट लग जाती है एंड ड्यू टू दैट डॉक्टर सजेस्टेड हिम टू टेक अ बेड रेस्ट ऑफ एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 months. बट इवन दे डोंट नो व्हेन ही विल गेट वेल सून. उसके बाद भी कोई जरूरी नहीं था, डॉक्टर को नहीं पता था कि वो जल्दी ठीक होगा या नहीं. जस्ट इट वॉज अजम्पशन कि ही वुड गेट वेल सून इन 3 or 4 months, बट इट वॉज नॉट श्योरिटी. तो इस वजह से उनकी फैमिली में फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस आ जाते हैं जिसकी वजह से वो अपनी डे टू डे नीड्स भी फुलफिल नहीं कर पाते थे. दैट फार्मर वॉज टू एम्बेरसिंग ऑन दैट टाइम बिकॉज वो सोचता था कि जो भी हो रहा है उसकी वजह से हो रहा है. ना वो छत से गिरता, ना उसकी फैमिली को ऐसी कंडीशन से पास होना पड़ता. बट at all this is not real. His wife was really very knowledgeable and kind-hearted lady. She told him that there is nothing to worry. She is here to work and she can work as a maid for some of the families and you don't need to worry about that. You just concentrate on your health. By listening this, he was happy, but he was worried that his wife has to work because he is not able to work. She went from her family and go to some of the families who are in need of a maid, and she asked one lady if she wants to hire any maid. She knows all the work of household that she can do, but that lady was also able to do all the works. But वो उसको offer करती है, if you would be able to do cleaning and washing, then I can hire you. She was agreed with that proposal, but there was one condition, that she would not be able to give her more than 1000 rupees a month. She was also agreed with that proposal and started working from the day onwards. Then in this way she finds some of the more families who needs maid and started working there. And anyhow she used to manage rupees 5000 a month. वो महीने में 5000 रुपए कमाने लग जाती है जिससे उसकी फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस कुछ हद तक दूर हो जाती है. बट एट ऑल इट वॉज नॉट इनफ फॉर हर फैमिली टू मीट देयर ऑल द नीड्स. They were not able to fulfill their requirements even in rupees 5000. Whenever there was some leftover food from the families where she was working, she used to take with her with the owner's permission and give it to their children. तो ऐसा करते करते रेनी सीजन स्टार्ट हो जाता है एंड उसकी वजह से वो प्रॉब्लम में फंस जाती है. वाई? बिकॉज शी डिडंट हैड इवन मनी टू बाय एन अम्ब्रेला. उसके पास एक छाता खरीदने तक के पैसे नहीं होते हैं. एंड वन डे देयर वाज ए हैवी रेन इन हर एरिया एंड शी वाज लेट and all her mistresses started shouting at her. Why? Because she was late at her workplace. And except one lady, that name was Helen, she didn't shout at her. Even she understand her situation that she was late just because that there was rain outside. बाहर रेन थी, बाहर बारिश थी, इस वजह से वो नहीं आ पाई. She understand her situation and offered her if she want to take a sick leave, she can. But that lady didn't take any leave. और वो उसको बोलती है कि poor people don't have any right to take leave because वो अगर पैसा कमाएंगे तो ही वो फूड खा पाएंगे, otherwise they won't be able to feed. That is reality. She worked on that house on that day as well. एक इंसिडेंट उसके साथ दोबारा होता है जिसमें वो 2 या 3 हाउसेस से काम करके निकलती है एंड इन बिटवीन रेन हैज बीन स्टार्टेड. बारिश स्टार्ट हो जाती है एंड शी वॉज कम्प्लीटली वेट. वो गीली हो जाती है एंड एनी हाउ शी रीच्ड हेलन हाउस. वो हेलन के घर पे पहुंच जाती है किसी भी तरह. बट आफ्टर सीइंग दिस हेलन सेड हर, यू आर कम्प्लीटली वेट, यू आर नॉट एबल टू वर्क. And she was not even comfortable in those clothes because she was completely wet. Helen offered her sari to that lady, but that lady didn't accept anything from her and started work in the same condition in which she was. So वो वहां पे काम करती है. ऐसे वो हेलन के घर से काम कर कर निकलती है. हेलन उसको पीछे से आवाज मारकर रोकती है और बोलती है, टेक सम फूड एंड हैव वन अम्ब्रेला एंड योर एडवांस सैलरी. वो उसको एक अम्ब्रेला देती है, कुछ खाना देती है और एडवांस सैलरी देती है. ऐसा देखकर वो बोलती है, आई कांट एक्सेप्ट दिस. दैट लेडी डिडंट एक्सेप्टेड एनीथिंग फ्रॉम हर. बट हेलन सेड टेक दिस एज अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम माई साइड। वो उसको एज ए गिफ्ट उसको वो सब कुछ दे देती है। एंड आफ्टर सीइंग दिस दैट लेडी वॉज इन टीयर्स। वो लेडी की आंखों में पानी आ जाता है एंड शी स्टार्टेड हगिंग हेलन ऑन दैट टाइम। By seeing this, Helen understood that she is facing some financial crisis and she should know that. So she started following that lady on that day. So she started following her and reached her house. And she saw that her children are waiting for her and they were worried about their mother. And she washed her foods and entered the house and gave that food to their children. And they were very happy when she reached home, because they got food and their mother also. So she was watching everything from the window. वो सब कुछ विंडो से देख रही थी। ऐसा देखकर उसकी आंखों में पानी आ जाता है एंड वो घर के अंदर चली जाती है। ऐसा देखकर वो लेडी हेलन को देखकर काफी ज्यादा शॉक्ड हो जाती है कि मैम आप यहाँ पे कैसे। देन शी एक्सप्लेन हर कि वो उसको फॉलो करते करते यहाँ पर आ गई है एंड वो उसको बोलती है कि तुम्हारे पास इतनी ज़्यादा फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस होने के बाद भी तुम मल्टीपल फैमिलीज में काम कर रहे हो एंड यू आर मैनेजिंग योर वर्क। एंड शी वॉज वेरी ऑनेस्ट। सो शी एश्योर्ड हर that her children will also go to school from today onwards and her husband will also get a good treatment in a good hospital. ऐसा देखकर उस लेडी की आंखों में पानी आ जाता है एंड वो हेलन को गले से लगा लेती है। गाइस, आई टोल्ड आई वांट टू से वन थिंग that there are so many laborers in our country who are suffering from this kind of situation and they never tell their stories to anyone. So because everyone has to work to satisfy their hunger, so it's our duty हमें उनकी situation को समझ जाना चाहिए. So guys, this story teaches us three things. What are these? First one is we should not consider any work less respectable. Like in this story, that lady worked as a maid for some of the families. Second one is we should donate the leftover foods to the person who actually needs that. And third one is we should not waste the food and should be kind to the person who actually needs our help. So that's the end of this video. If you finally like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. For more similar videos, please stay tuned to my channel and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Hitesh Rana.